Let's focus on the education sector. Kenyan Education Cabinet Secretary Professor Jacob Kaimenyi says the ministry is set to legislate new punitive measures to deter cases of examination cheating. Kaimenyi also ruled out any possibility of cancelling the ongoing Form 4 examinations over allegations of massive examination leakage.
The Kenya National Assembly's Committee on Education questioned Education Cabinet Secretary Professor Jacob Kaimenyi over the credibility of the 2015 KCSE exams. Question papers have often been posted on social media ahead of candidates sitting the papers. Kaimenyi says going forward, it's not going to be business as usual for examination cheats.
There also has been a proposal, maybe the penalties on the deterrent measures, Madam Chair, are not as severe as they should. So we are going again to review that and ensure that indeed they are more deterrent than they are.
The Kenya National Examinations Council says 14 teachers in 7 counties have been arrested and charged in court for possessing examination-related materials. But Kaimenyi says exams cannot be cancelled based on question papers posted on social media, which according to him are fake.
We cannot interrupt in the middle here. The whole process of auditing an examination process is towards the end, even after conducting the entire exam, because sometimes, Madam Chair, when you mark the exams, as was mentioned here, is when you realize, hey, there was cheating.
But I'm telling you, I had the correct English exam on Sunday night, which children sat yesterday. The children are sitting for agriculture this morning. I have the exam and I have not spread it around. The children will sit next week for a CRE exam. I have 2 versions that are spreading around. One of them seems credible, one of them is clearly a fake that is being conned. Do you still have the confidence in that same neck that you had 2 weeks ago when you met this committee and told us?
He's asking me whether I have any confidence in NEC. I want to see the answer is yes. Unless we have proven otherwise through an audit process.
Kaimenyi told the House Committee that 2 police officers were arrested on Monday for posting examination questions on social media. But the minister says he does not have evidence to show that police could be behind examination leakage.
This cheating is likely to take place more in the distribution center. And the distribution center are manned in an armory, yes? And those armories are manned by policemen and women. It's possible for them to do this.
Why can't you sign contracts with private companies to deliver these exams, and they're only paid if they deliver the exams and tampered with integrity?
Out of a total 74 2015 KCSE papers, less than 20 papers remain to be done. The exams end next week, Thursday. So far, 74 students have been arrested with exercise books containing examination-related material.
When students cheat and you find them with pre-prepared notes, do you attach these prepared notes to the examination council? I say this is evidence.
Those prepared notes are used as evidences, even they. Indeed, that's why students go to great lengths to do crazy things which you know, of course. For example, they chew them and swallow them. That you know.
Please comment on any possible impact or information you have about the role of teachers possibly involved in sabotage, having not been paid their September salaries.
As to whether there is sabotage, I have no evidence. It would be very unfortunate for me to tell Kenyans, teachers, to blame our teachers really, Madam Chair, without evidence. I will not do that. It will be suicide on my part, if you will.
Apart from enlisting support from ICT staff to seal loopholes at the Examinations Council, the ministry says it will employ cybercrime police officers to smoke out examination cheats. Patrick Amimo, KTN News, Nairobi.